You've lied before, out loud or just to yourself, and you got away with it. Nobody ever proved you wrong. But there's a day coming where nobody can prove it stops being true. By the end of this, you're gonna understand why Allah doesn't need your mouth on that day. He'll ask your hands and your feet instead. And once you see why, you'll never be able to unsee what your body already knows about you. Now picture the moment. Every excuse you've ever prepared ready to go. It wasn't me. I didn't mean it. That's not what happened. You've used those lines before. On people, on yourself. And on that day, that's exactly what happens. Someone stands there and swears by it, out loud, confidently. Wallahi ma kunna mushrikeen. A flat denial, sworn on Allah's name on the day that lying should be impossible. So watch what happens next. The mouth is sealed shut. Not punished, but silenced. And then the parts of you that were actually there start speaking for themselves. Your hands, your feet, your own skin. Not as witnesses against a stranger, as witnesses against the person right there making the denial. Think about how much of your life already runs on this exact loop. You explain yourself, you manage the story, and you control what people hear. And it works, because words are the only evidence anyone else has access to. But your body was never along just for the ride. It was there, it remembers. And on that day, it's not on your side and it's not against you. It's just being honest, in a way your mouth never had to be. So here's the uncomfortable part. If your hands and feet had to testify about this past week, not what you said happened, but what actually happened, would their version match yours? اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون. So what to actually do with this? Pick one place this past week where your explanation and what happened didn't match. Not to confess it to anyone, but to just notice it before the day comes where noticing isn't enough. Allah already knows everything you've ever done, so He's not asking your body for His benefit. He's asking so that when you swear it wasn't you, there's nowhere left to hide. So what is your body going to say?